These videos are listed under entertainment. Take everything I say with a grain of salt. This is not financial advice. You are responsible for your own actions. That said, be very careful out there. I don't know if this is too soon or not, but looks like we have a double bottom. That could symbol a reversal. Right now we're getting rejected at 6.35. And we are now at 59, 5.97. So if we come down and make another low here and like touch it, maybe this double bottom is confirmed. This is a higher low. Let's check the Fibonacci. Actually, it's reverse. Kind of looks like a double bottom. A lot of support in this area. Tested the first time we dipped in the buy zone. Got bought up twice. The second one went a little lower. Looked like it hit. Now this is a sign that this is where, any kind of long wicks like that, that's a sign that, later on price action will kind of meet that criteria, right? Just like this, see? This wick right here, and then this wick right here. These two wicks, this wick, that wick, kind of confirmed this, making a lower low. I like seeing this double bottom here, and then try to come up. Stochastics are, the Stoke is turning up. Obviously, it crossed, and the histogram started to become bullish again. So we're getting rejected. The top of this blue line, right there. See it? We didn't even hit it, but I've been watching this. DigiByte's been sitting here like 6 cents and in between 6 cents and 5.4, was it? 5.9. Sorry. 5.9 and 6 cents. Just been sitting here. Like, I'm wondering what it's going to do. We're still, like I said, double bottom potentially. And the Stoke ticked up. If there's clear separation, if there's clear separation with continued volume, then that's good. But even if it comes down and crosses back down, it just means that DigiByte, just got rejected over here at 6.25, and it could come down here to, let's see, make a little higher low. At 5.25, but we made like a higher high from this turnaround. That's good, right? And it all depends on what Bitcoin's doing. If Bitcoin drops again, then we're going to see it drop, but hopefully not much. See what I mean? A higher high. And then this is seriously like, this is just barely a higher low. You can see it right there. See what DigiByte does over over the course of this time here. I like how it's above here. I don't know what this is. Let's see, what is it? On the 1 hour. It's good to see. Yeah, so on the 1 hour, ever since we reached almost 9 cents, DigiByte's been struggling to stay above the blue line. It's always been rejected. See, rejected there, came down, tried again, rejected there, came down, tried again right there a little bit, fell down, tried again, got rejected, made a higher low, and it on the 1 hour it got above it. So that's where it's at. That's kind of cool. Here's your channel. So it could go down to 5.37. Actually, if you want to count the wick, let's see here. Let's just stick with candle bodies. That way it's, you know, a little tighter. Yeah, same area, 5.32. If it comes down, but this might develop some support. Oh, you guys can't see. My bad. I love DigiByte and all, but now you guys can see. My bad. I always have something messed up in the works. There you go. There's your channel, your upward channel. Let me show you again. So 1 hour, we're above the blue. The histogram still going up. Still bullish. The Stoke is above the red. Looking good. That's your channel. So it looks like another widening channel, which is good. So if it does come down, there's your 5.3, 5.25. See what it does. If it holds above here, that'd be great. And then it can hug the blue line above it. We got a lot of support right here, around 5 cents. And this looks like a double bottom. It wicked down here. So we're in a rising channel. Yeah, buddy. J-Dog. Edwin. What's up, Polo? Agog. What's up, buddy? Josh. Lost 700. LOL. That's okay, man. People are buying this dip. It's good to see. And the importance of buying dips, guys, is this. It has a better chance, right? When Bitcoin goes down, if you're buying the dips, has a better chance. If no one's buying that dip, Bitcoin would just destroy it, right? So 700, it's all good, dude. Sarkis, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Was really hoping DGB hit the 4 cent mark today. Was ready to scoop. Well, let me see. Let me see if it hit 4 cents. Let's see if DigiByte would have got out of that. All right, let's check it out. $0.04 would have been right here. I just fear that if DigiByte went down here at 4 cents, that this under here would have been resistance or a good fight to keep DigiByte down. And who knows, we found some confluence in here, but it's near. I mean, it could have dipped and went right back up into the fork, right? These channels. It's not too bad. But hey, man, it reached 4.9. You could have. This was the next target anyway. See, this was the next buy the dip zone right here. The last one was here, here, and here. See, everybody bought this dip. If everybody can see that, everybody bought this. That's why there's long wicks. And here is your buy zone right here. Now we're in this channel. And this is, I don't know, what is this? This is a 2 hour. Here's your weekly. Just ranging up in here. Back to the 1 hour. I think I did this fork a little sloppy here. Let me make this look a little better. I was in a rush. All right, let's see what that does. All right, that looks a little tighter. Looks like a short-term double bottom reversal, right? See how it hit this line twice? I don't know what. See how it hit this? Actually, several times, but like it was clear on the 2-hour. It's a double, right? Hit that purple line, that channel, got bought back up. Now we're above the Stoke on the histogram. This blue Stoke's still above this red. Wish it had a little bit more separation, like it was ticking a little bit more upward. But we'll take the momentum that we can get, right? So it's looking good. Looks like DigiByte wants to try to stay up there, right? Kind of interesting. Let's see what's going on. Let's look back in the history, see what's going on in that line there. Yeah. We got 2 touches over here. 3. 1, 2, 3. That's where it's at now. This fork is really come in handy, guys. I accidentally stumbled on that. I didn't look up how to do a fork, none of that. It's just so happens it looks like it's the perfect plan here with DigiByte. I mean, look at that. Looks sweet. Looking really good. Double bottom above the blue line in this channel that's closer to the median that we're facing resistance. And right now it looks like it's just really slow right now, but hasn't moved recently at all. It's just been sticking around this area, which is those 3 touches, which could be a good thing. I mean, because that is a higher high from this. And this is a higher low than this low, right? Now we're like on the previous high, just sitting above it. Can you imagine just getting support there and just staying above here and then get above that median line on the pitchfork and just stayed up here or something? That'd be bullish. And then make this next high over here. It just came over here. I don't know why those keep popping up. My sights are much higher. So this turbulence bothers me not. Yeah, turbulence doesn't bother me either. It's pretty cool. Actually, I like doing this. This is fun. Yeah, it is a buying opportunity, right? Now you got a W reversal if it plays out. Look at it. Can you guys see the W? That's a right here. If you guys can look it up if you want. That's a falling support, high support, double support, 2 touches, and then up. That's a W. That's a reversal. So that's a bullish reversal. W. It could keep going up. Now over here, look. See this? This was a W reversal down. See that? Pole W reversal. Pole down W reversal. So we could find some support here and just stay up here as long as Bitcoin acts right. As long as Bitcoin maximalists keep buying their Bitcoin. You know those maximalists are buying altcoins. You just know it. I bought some more DigiByte today. And XRB. What's XRB? Oh, XRP. Okay, got you. What's up? The Economic Ninja was just live recently. I had to tell his subscribers and the new guys listening to him to subscribe and like his video and tick the bell. He's talking about silver. Can you guys hear me really well with this music? Just let me know. Agog says, we can't see because, oh yeah, I'm sorry, man. My bad. Yeah, I should have did something about that. Can you see now? Sean says DGB told us where it is heading or headed. I'm buying this dip. Yeah. It looks pretty good. Like I said, check it out for you guys self. Look at W reversal patterns. So far, it's playing out. I mean, it's more of a stock trade, but TA sometimes works out in crypto. So that's why we do it, right? Well, one more time, right? So this was a W reversal, right? And it went down. Pole W reversal. Pole W reversal. Could be. It's like a trend change is what this is called in a W pattern. Let's see if it plays out. Good. So the music isn't too loud, guys. How about if I'm up back here? Is the music loud? Can you still hear me? Maybe I should whisper. Can you guys still hear me? Can you hear this? Can you hear me? So DigiByte's looking good, guys, in the short term right now. All depends on what Bitcoin's about to do. Can't see there's a DigiByte logo in the middle. I know. Don't you love those DigiByte logos? Those DigiByte memes? How you doing, Foot? Foot massage. Man, I can use a killer foot massage right now. Oh. How about you guys? Are you buying that dip? Might not be too late. Let's see if DigiByte pulls this off. Listen, if it gets right here, if DigiByte comes back up and gets above this, that's bullish, guys. I mean, especially if it gets up above this, right? What's that percentage rate? All right. If it can just pull, oh wait, oh, I'm a little off. Let's do that again. I want to be correct. You know what I mean? I want to be accurate. Just where it is right now. If we can get above 18%, 18.83% and stay above this, that's really bullish. Like, you guys don't know how bullish that would be if DigiByte came up and got above here, right? And made a newer high, a higher high than this, right? I say newer high, I mean present high, a higher high than this. That would be 7.13. and we're literally teeter-tottering back and forth on 6 and 5.9 cents. These things, if Bitcoin keeps going, up or sideways, DigiByte's going to be fine, right? There's a lot of support here, a lot of support back here, and DigiByte's right now finding itself right in the crosshairs of bullish action or continuation to the downside. We're right there. Like, this will be the deciding factor. Whatever Bitcoin's doing, DigiByte's going to do as well. So if Bitcoin goes up and sideways, then DigiByte's going to be up and sideways, right? If Bitcoin goes down, then DigiByte's going to go down to probably 4.5 to 4 cents. We just can't let that happen. This is supposed to be the year of the bull, all right? Let's make sure. Year of the bull. Let's watch this. It's been respecting all these channels here. And we're right where we need to be. We need to get up here. We just need this. Let's just get above that for starters. And then we can get above that. It's just that simple. What do you guys think? Is it that simple? Wrong cases. Best time of the night, hanging with script, checking out the charts. Yeah, right? Shoot, man. I'm here for you guys. I love doing this. I couldn't wait to get on once I saw that double bottom. And then the bullish W pattern. It's kind of a relief, This is like a little relief rally. Thanks, Ron. Luke Horvat. Sorry if I mispronounced that, but Luke, it's a good name. Where do you see DGB in a few months? A few months. It's going to be good, man. I mean, as long as Bitcoin stays, even if Bitcoin drops 20 more percent, which hopefully it doesn't happen right away. Let's just say, I mean, there is still continued downside, but DigiByte's going to be just fine, right? DigiByte's going to be just fine. And I mean, here's Luke. Let me show you something, right? Let me show you something. So in February, right? Here's February 1st. Let me just draw this out. February, right here. That's February. And here we are. What? Is it the 24th? Shoot. 23rd, 24th, right? It's the 24th. So that's what we did right here in 1 month. This is what we did in 1 month. And we're just now finding some good support here in this pitchfork. But that's what we did in 1 month. Let me go to something like that. See? That's what we did. All right. So we're up in this channel, guys. This is when, right over here, this was COVID. This was COVID lockdown, okay? The whole world got put on lockdown. And this is what DigiByte did. From the 9th of March, well, was this the high? This is the super high. So it was at, almost zero, guys. And it went up to almost 3 cents. Well, on this chart, I think it was actually almost like 3.5 cents, but I don't know why this one's showing. Let me check here. Of course, all these charts, they read something else, I'm going to check something real quick. So I can give you another perspective here. Okay. 257, 256, 257. So almost like a quarter shy of 3 cents from nothing. From like 15th, 154 satoshis, DigiAssets. Could you imagine, guys? Could you imagine like buying $1,000 worth right there? Holy crap! Even not, I mean, you were getting like, oh man, you probably got like 500,000 of those things, something close to it, right? Or even more, right? Oh shoot, you could have got 1 million. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's do the math. I just think it's kind of interesting. So where did it go? Right. Oh, shoot. It moved on me again. Dang it. Freaking mouse, man. There it is. 0.00164. Times $1,000, right? Yeah. Or is it? Oh, I'm sorry. That'd have been 1,064,000. Nah. Get out of here. Anyway, look at this. That's what happens in a month's time for DigiByte. It went from here to here during like beginning of lockdown and COVID. This chart is showing 1,446%. Now, of course, that's including like the highs and the lows, right? All the way up. And now remember this 1, 2, 3. This is 3 months right here, right? We had some sideways action trying to develop some support, but we were still going upwards. So it dropped. It dropped about 50%, right? 50, what's 50%, guys? Ain't nothing, really. But then over a 3 months period of time from that low, it went up another 190% in 3 months. That's still huge, huge profits, guys. If you're stacking all this, I mean, anytime that DigiByte dips from a high and it retraces 30 to 40%, buy heavily. That's the whole point of this. So that happened in 3 months. 1 month at a time, over 1,000 something percent. Now, it fell about 3 more months. What, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, January. From almost 4 cents, right? It fell all the way. Even the scam wick, it fell 68%, and then got bought back up all the way up here to 43%. But let's just go from the candle body. This is the lowest low of the candle body. For 2 months, right, it fell 51%. Okay, but say you bought like $1,000 worth there when it fell 51%. Let's just say that. From that point to this right here, which is like a month, about 2 months, okay, to that candle high, right? Let's just say the candle body, that's 93%. But I mean, the wicks tell us, I mean, if you were able to, take some profits on that, from this low to here, like you can time the top or something. That's 2 months, guys. It went up 123%. So to get to my question, or your question, sorry, to get to your question, where do you see DigiByte in 3 months? Well, here we are in February. So 20 February, 24th. Oh, it's not letting me do it. Okay, February 26th. 22nd of February. Where does March go? March, April, May. There it is. All right. Right there. So here's your 3 months, right? So if it stays relatively within this pitchfork, right? Let's just lower this a little bit. I showed you what 3 months does over here, right? Even sideways, it went up, according to the pitchfork, 100 something percent from its low. And over here, it went like 120% from its low, right? I mean, it looks like sideways action, but it's hits these lows and it goes up. I mean, look at this craziness right here. So from where we counted, where it ended, we counted this candle from, let's just say we counted this candle from the last 3 months, right? Man, get out of here. What is that? Okay. So from this point on, it went up another 153% just in 1 month. Actually, less than 1 month, if I was counting it from over there on the percentages. So how can you not make any money in this market? I don't understand. But even right here, so if DigiByte stays in here, okay, for 3 months, and DigiByte let's just say over here, somewhere around here, DigiByte comes down and touches this for support, this bottom of the pitchfork, and goes to the top of the pitchfork. Let's just say in a 3 months time, somehow it like finds its way up just on the top. Just, we don't have to break through or nothing, just on the top. From about midway, let's just say midway, right? And then to the end of the month, right there. That's 69% potential, right? But the average out of all this, it's moving 100 plus. Just say right here in the middle of the fork, it's 100. What's 100? 100 plus is, actually, I didn't have enough room. Let's just say it went to its all-time high, because I mean it's 120, 140 averaged out. With these big moves, it's really like 600%. But we're just going to do 100 plus, like 120. Let's just do 120. It'll be somewhere up here from the middle of this 3 months. So 120% exactly, if I can get it there, is 11, almost 12 cents, 11.81. Let's just say it stayed there, right? Within these 3 months, it just went up there. The average of what DigiByte does, right? It's quite a bit. Let's just say it takes a little bit more time. I mean, what? It could be over here. Could be over here. See how much time this is? Da-da-da. More. Da-da-da-da. What? 1, 2, 3. 3 months. Another 3 months. Another 3 months. I mean, the lowest it would be at 5.8. The highest it would be at 8, 9. It'd still be in the same range if it's going sideways. But if it was going sideways, I just think DigiByte made this huge run up. I think, it could go longer. This was 3 months. This was a little longer than 3 months. And so let's just say 4 months, right? Right there. Let's just say June, right? In this range, it could. Wait, is that 4 months? February. That's February. March, April, May, June. Oh, the 24th. Well, it won't let me get to the 24th. Hold on. No, let's say just 21st. So there's your 4 months. Could be up here. I mean, if DigiByte just decides just to go sideways, just saying, like, it could, and it could follow this pitchfork up, right? But the way it jumps, shoot, if it goes 100%, it's up here at 12 cents, 14 potentially. So, I mean, right now, let's just take off the fork. I mean, right now, DigiByte's on a projection level. I mean, it's going good. I mean, let's just say it follows this trend, right? A steady trend like this. $0.10 if it just goes like this, right? That's actually, I'm sorry, hold on. There we go. Just saying it would get back up here. 10. It could, wick past, which would hit our 12, possibly 14. It was going like this. That's what it was doing. Or you could have went kind of like that, but it was going on a parabolic trend. And then it broke. So it fell pretty hard out of this trend, right? If it stayed here, it would have hit back up here. This was our upwards widening channel. We fell out of it. Now we're here at support again. If we can come back up here, that'd be great. But right now, we're not up there. Right now, we have to make higher highs and higher lows. So we would have to do this number right here. Get back up in there. And that's in a month's time, guys. I mean, look, this is 1 month. That's what we're looking at. I mean, shoot. So it could take us another month or two to get back up in that channel, or even 3, like we were talking about. And we're up here again. Could go like this. Let me see if I can draw it. I'm not a very good drawer on this thing. Where's the brush? There it is. Could go like this. Back here. Test that. Come back up here. Make a higher high. Test that, for support and stuff. And then finally get back up here. All right. To the 12th. Something in general, that's a month's time. Or, I'm sorry. Yeah. Right. That's 1 month time. Could do something like that, right? So, I mean, overall trend, man, is looking really good for DigiByte. It's bouncing here. See what Bitcoin does. And here's your channel. I mean, just for a couple of months, just for another month, right? See what happens. If we fall through here, maybe back down to, 4 cents. Hopefully stay up here. Just hoping that we stay bullish here. If we stay in this channel, that'd be great. See what the histogram's turning up. Histograms, well, it's kind of coming down, but hey, it's leveling out. The Stokes are up. See how long we can stay in this area. Create some support. That's 83% right there. Just going by the these trend lines in a month's time or less. Or shoot, even if Bitcoin decided to go slow and all DigiByte decides to go slow, which I don't see it happening, it moved up 20%. These are big candles, guys. See these candles? Those are big candles. Okay. What was that, like 20? Let's see. From here. Guys, DigiByte today went 28%, almost 30%. Actually, let's just do it right. It was over here, right? No, that was 23rd, 24th. Okay, yeah. 28%, guys. This is a 28% move. Look at those candles. Ain't no punk, dude. DigiByte ain't no punk anymore, man. Oh, what is that? A bullish reversal hammer? Is it? I don't know what that's called. If anybody knows what that's called, tell me. See, look at that hammer right there, and it went down. Now we're having a upside down hammer right here. Could go up. Let's see. Stochastic is still up. Still up. The histogram's still up. Let's test this theory out. So we got an upside red hammer. There's a right side up hammer and went down. There's a right side up hammer and it went down. I guess you can call that I don't know. In Japanese, I don't know any Japanese, but still a right side up hammer, right? Maybe just a smaller one. I don't know what it's called, but it went down. Okay. So we got like a upside down hammer here. We kind of was like trying to get up, right? But we got rejected up here. Just momentum just rejected us, right? But there it is right there. See? Kind of. That's like indecision mode. So it could have went down, or it could have went up. Well, there's an upside down hammer, but there's no little wick down there. Didn't we have like a little wick? Am I right? Yeah, we have a little wick right now. If it closes like that, I'm just kind of interested if that's a reversal. Just interested in it. See, there's a little wick up here, right side up hammer. Went down. Well, that looked like maybe some continuation down, but it didn't happen. I don't know why. We'll see what the MACD said. Come on, MACD. Where are you at? Why is my MACD so... Wah. Because there's no bullish divergence or nothing. I don't know what that is. Or is that what that is? Is there bullish divergence there? No. Not that I can tell. This is down, that's down. This is up, that's up on the histogram. So no, that's not bullish divergence. I don't know why. There's something else there that I'm not seeing. What's the difference? What's the difference between this one and the other one? Because this looked like maybe it didn't matter. It wasn't this one. And that's kind of too fat anyway. There is a difference, guys, with these little tiny, wicks and these like hammer handles. There is a difference, but I don't know what it is. That's indecision. I know that's like a spinning top. It could have went up. It could have went down. This is a bullish engulfing candle, but it still went sideways and went down. This is obviously a bullish engulfing candle. Went 3 to 4 times its previous candle. Right? Huh. I don't know how I got onto that. I'm not seeing any. I don't know if that's a hammer. I don't know. I need to start studying candles, guys. Be a little bit more useful to you guys if I do. The only chart that matters, right? That's right. That's how I feel. Mr. Cotton. Yeah, we can hear you. Okay. Oh, these are old. Are you guys still on? Yeah, that was like, sheesh, 30 minutes ago. Sorry, Mr. Cotton. Gonzo Boards, what's up, man? Buy the dip scenario. So, guys, this was a buy a dip scenario. It would just played out again, right? It dips down. We buy the dip scenario again, just on a lower target. But technically, like, look, I mean, it went down that far. See? This was the first buy the dip scenario and went right back to support. Fell down again, broke that support, found different support right there, the lower support, and it was another buy the dip scenario, just taking a little longer this time. A double bottom, a W pattern. This could be a trend reversal. And we're right there. We need to get above it. But technically, we got a higher high, right? Higher high. That's why I kind of like, just keep in mind, double touch, double bottom, W pattern reversal could be. And then this channel here, right? It could even come down here and hit this and then go up as long as it's a higher high. Right? Why is this? I don't like that thing popping up. I don't know if you guys see that, but it keeps popping up. See what happens. You know what I mean? It could just go like this until it finally comes up or go down. I would like to know if this is a double bottom. It could come all the way down through. It doesn't have to, doesn't have to do that, right? Could come down here and test that bottom and go back up. That'd be like a real triple touch. Get more momentum. But right now, this is what it's looking like. Highland Trading. Everything pulled back. DGB is going to be huge in the future. So much going here. Anti-ID looks to have major potential. Oh yeah, and DGB is going to be huge in the future. DGB is huge now. We are the future. We are DGB. Yeah, and there's also highline trading. There's Anti-ID. There's so many more things that are going on there. And then DigiAssets exchange is like making stuff where wallets unfreeze and you get back your coins. They just did it for DigiByte, the core wallets, and then they did a sweep for like a digi sweep. Then they got pot sweep, so pot coin. I guess had some frozen pot coins on a wallet, and it's DigiByte technology code. Gonza says another couple months. Yeah, I mean, it all depends on Bitcoin, guys. This is why we buy the dip, so DigiByte has a better chance if Bitcoin continues down. But hopefully, this is a relief rally, and DigiByte has a chance to go up. Hey, my dude Gonzo boards. He makes his own music. You guys need to check him out. Gonzo, if you're still here, put that link. Can you put that link down here in the comments? Your music link. Ron K said, "Can we get Raven Coin Pump?" You mean for DigiByte? Potential, right? Let's see. Raven Coin Pump. Okay, for DigiByte would have to be. Let's just remove this. Raven Coin Pump. Okay, here is. Let's just go by the Wix. Here's 14 cents. Right there. Raven Coin Pump. What did Raven Coin pump? It only pumped like 500%, right? Yeah. Only. Raven Coin Pump. Dude, I can't. Hold up. There we go. There's DigiByte. DigiByte. Okay. 500%. That'd be 38 cents. Yeah, give us a Raven Pump, please. Like, do some TA. I'm like, all right, well, it looks like the technicals is showing a Raven pump. Or a Yoda candle. Yep, looks like we're going to the moon. There you go. Moon. That's where we're going, guys. We broke through the trend. We're just going straight to the moon. This is funny. There's no data here, but I mean, DigiByte actually reached 14 cents. So shoot. So back here somewhere, DigiByte reached 14 cents. Hey. Yeah, I picked it. Okay. What the? Oh, because there's no data there? Okay. It wouldn't let me do anything over here. It wouldn't let me chart back here. It's like darkness. I had to come over here. Maybe. 14 cents right there. There. For some reason there's no data. I couldn't even put the line over here. It has to be over here. Strange, man. What's the difference? Anyway, so DigiByte did this. Where is this? 5 cents. Oh, I can't even draw on here. Dang, man, this sucks. I can draw there. I just can't. It won't let me. Oh, dang, man. It wouldn't let me do it, guys. Huh. You saw it live. It wouldn't let me. It won't let me drag it over there. Huh. It's blipping out. It's blipping out over here. I can't even draw on it, guys. Anyway. Yeah, I mean, this is the previous high right there, guys. Right there. I just want you guys to know that, right? This is it. Like, if we're on pace, let's say, if we're on pace to this line, this trend line, that's what, November. So just coming out in November, if we were just doing this, right? Let's just move this out. Wait for a second. If we were just doing this, right? Something to that effect. Something like that. If it did that without pumping big, but I doubt it, man. I really doubt that it's just going to go sideways underneath this trend. Because look at the trend before. It was like this. Here's what the trend looked like before. Right? We busted through it. Get out of here. Someone included me in some kind of scam freaking Telegram thing. So there was your trend line, right? And we broke through it. So, I mean, just to say, okay, DigiByte's going to just follow this all the way up, until we hit 14 cents for the rest of the year, I highly doubt that. It would break through. It would break through. right? So if it went like this, right now we're right under it. We could go like this, up like this, about mid-year, and go like this, and break that. Actually, I was supposed to break that. Sorry, guys. About right there. And then like that, right? And then we're up here. Then I'd have to draw this trend line up here because I had, went a little higher. And then we'd break this. And then, of course, we'd break it, and we'd hit our 33 cents. I've been telling you guys 33 cents forever because that's what's on Coinbase. Hey, as a glitch. So technically this would be like this. Right? Hypothetically speaking. For the year. If it just continued this pattern here, like, still pretty good. I mean, like if it just continued this pattern, see what I'm saying? I mean, it might not hit $1 this year. It might hit $5 this year. We don't know. But I mean, if it's just doing this pattern, it could potentially hit 33 cents. I mean, that's still a lot, guys. Tell me what you think. Gonza says hammer. Hammer or axe. Yeah. Thanks, Script. Yeah. Any streaming platform, search Gonzo Boards. Yeah, okay, guys. So, yeah, he makes his own music. Gonzo Boards. Check him out. I just heard all his songs in my truck driving around getting some parts for work. Had to paint an Amazon van. I had to get some parts. But there's your pattern right there, man. That's the low side prediction, right? For the rest of the year. That's if Bitcoin keeps going to the moon. Ron, from the low, high in February. Oh, let me just read that again. From the low and high in February on Raven was 15x. Okay. Yeah, Raven did that before. So did ARK. ARK. Some of the new coins, man, they're pumping too. So, because there's no, ceiling. They weren't around since DigiByte's been around. Not saying that DigiByte's at a disadvantage. I'm just saying, like, once they hit their ceiling, and then the next bear markets, they have a high ceiling to catch up to, especially when they retrace 90%. A lot more than okay. Like another 1,000. Like DigiByte reaches 1,000 too. Like we did it twice this past year. Over time, we hit 1,000 from like 164 Digi Satoshis. DigiSats all the way up to like almost 3 cents. That's crazy. No, not really. Like, there's a lot more people that are involved with DigiByte. I mean, Elon Musk, man. I don't even know what to think about him. I really don't. Well, guys, let's just remove all the drawings. That's the DigiByte TA for you guys. Let's check out Bitcoin real quick. See what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin long term is doing great, man. Kind of drew that kind of, but just it looks just like DigiByte. Yeah. This is long term. Let's look at the log. I don't have any history here. Let's see here. I really don't have any history on here. I don't get it. Guys, from Bitcoin's recent all-time high back in 2000, well, end of 2017, beginning of 2018 when it dropped, it was like roughly 20,000. And it's only 195% from that point. I mean, you got to think, man, like, I'm just saying, we just entered the bull market. I mean, according to Bitcoin, right? Because everything's dictated on Bitcoin. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy to think. And I had a couple of people who are like, what if Bitcoin like ends up being another 3-year bear market from this point? I'm like, well, I don't think it would. I mean, that'd be weird, right? That'd be freaking weird, man. I mean, because look, look at it. It hasn't gone that far. It's not. It hasn't got that far, man. Here's a look. Look at it. This isn't even the full pole, man. Right? It's not even the full pole. technically, well, nah, I mean, I can't even get to it. Woo, woo. That moved on me. What the heck? Because it's log. Dang, man. I don't even know how to get that over there. Sorry, guys. It's just doing that on its own. Huh. I don't get it. Maybe we just should just do percentage. Not so 6,000%. 6,000 would be roughly there. Where would Bitcoin be up here? No way. We're not going to go at 650. So the log chart's way different, guys. Let's see. Many people would believe that it's going to 100,000, right? Right. At least 100,000. Right there. All right. So we still have, we're almost there. We're almost from this breakout, I guess. Almost there to 100. But it doesn't, it doesn't match the pole here. I mean, if it just goes there, even half the flag, well, maybe half the flag, right? Maybe. Yeah. But 100,000, hey, that's the target, right? And then another 3-year bear market, which, shoot, 13,000. Would it be 13,000? 13,000 could be the last touch, like the low market, buying Bitcoin for at the bottom of the new bear market for $13,000. Actually, it'd be 3,200, wouldn't it? No, we already had that. So it'd be like, what if it was just $30,000, like $32,000 if it hit 100,000 to 13, whatever. That's a wide range. Well, guys, I'm freaking out of here. Had fun. Ron K says, just kidding. About Elon. Yeah, we don't need him. We don't need the Doge Messiah. And that's just a joke, man. I mean, obviously, Doge is a joke. It's a meme coin, but it's a joke that that Elon really thinks that people's coin is Doge. Like, even if the whole crypto community was rent in two, completely broken down, do you really think they're going to rise Doge out of the ashes and say, this is the cryptocurrency that's going to save humanity? What would worry me is if that Doge got implemented in the, like, Neuralink, then that'd be the mark of the beast right there, right out of the Bible. That would be freaky. Then I would say, okay, it is Doge. But I don't know. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Just kidding about Elon. Yeah, Elon, man. Dang, man. You can't save Doge, man. There's, even if you're developing it, I just, man, Litecoin took a hit, man, and it merged mines with Litecoin. Let's see what happens to Litecoin. Litecoin took a major hit. What's your exit strategy on DGB? Well, I'm stacking. I'm stacking. I really don't have one, guys. Should start working on it. Yeah, right. C47 Force. Hey, how you doing, dude? What are your tunes? It's Oblivion, right? Oblivion. I YouTube downloaded it. Um, let's see if I can find my song I like on Oblivion. This is like how I started off, right? Started off my stream like this. But my favorite song is somewhere around here. Yeah. Reminds me of Nine Inch Nails a little bit. Let me see if I can find the beginning of it. We'll just listen. We'll listen to it from here. I'll hang out a little bit. Yup. Stack, stack. Still need an exit strategy. I do. Exit strategy is get like on 6 exchanges, 10 exchanges. Just get a bunch of exchanges. Some exit strategy, some buy, another bag. You see? Yeah, yeah. Dude, like Exodus hasn't been working for me. Like I can't even, switch coins, right? So you need another, exit plan, apparently. Yeah. The minute we go into a bear market, I'm dumping all of it. Okay. Well, there you go. Now here's my song. I love this song right here. Some guy made the songs. Yeah, it's still a bull market for sure. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now, it's probably going to 150,000. Right there. Right. And then we'll see our retrace, right? Something like this. Right? We'll be in the, I don't know, 2 trillions next time. Maybe lower, maybe, 800,000, maybe 2 trillion. That'd be mass adoption. We're in mass adoption stage right now. I mean, it's just going to get bigger and bigger. That's Bitcoin. There it is. There you have it. We're going to the moon. Do we have the moon? Do we have the moon? Well, we have a flag. Oh. Flag. Moon. Bitcoin. Crypto. Blockchain. Bull run. Another bull run. Flag. Conquer. King of the hill. There you go. There's my long-term prediction right there. Eat your heart out. Oh, you know what? Yeah, it's called Oblivion. I don't know who, it's free on YouTube. I like chill wave music, punk, cyberpunk, chill wave music. That's what it is. Yeah, Road to a Million. But DigiByte will be number one on crypto market, crypto market cap, coin market cap. Sorry, I like crypto market cap better, just because I messed it up. I don't like coin market cap anymore. Scripts guy that says crypto market cap. It's a done deal. It's crypto market cap. Yeah, when that happens. It will be. All right, guys. That's it. Say your prayers. I I gotta go get some rest. You guys take care. Keep your head up. Don't let anybody bother you. Stay positive. And don't be too much yourself. Otherwise, you won't get anywhere in life. And kind of trust uh, uh, in this unknown future with an unknown God. The God that you don't know. Trust him. Script's gotten it out.